Vlogtober. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. It's day 2 of Vlogtober, and I promise you guys I'm going to do 31 days of Vlogtober. My kitchen is a mess. Okay, I think today is dedicated for cleaning day, so I'm just gonna be cleaning my kitchen, cleaning my living room, cleaning my bedroom, washing a lot of clothes, folding clothes. Like, by the time I go to bed tonight, I want to be house smelling good. I just want to feel comfortable. I want to lay in bed with clean sheets and just like sleep a good night tonight. So this is like my cleaning dress. I freaking love this dress. It's so comfy. Yes, I got this dress from Zara, but it's just so cozy and loose. Okay, this is basically the mess I have. Oh my gosh, look at this. Hangers, like why is a hanger even in here? Okay, so I'm just going to be cleaning up all of this today. And I need to buy like a key holder so I could put my keys on the door. Yeah guys, this is, yeah, I made a mess, I know. It's my kitchen so far. Kitchen mess, you know, got my water in here. I did a little bit of grocery shopping, so I love this cart because I don't have to carry the water all the way up to the, you know, 19th floor. Woo! And then I have trash. Oh Jesus, guys, this is just a mess. Y'all get the drift. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna be, you know, washing all these dishes. you know it's bath time. The water was too hot, so I had to drain it out a little bit. Okay guys, so Tokyo has his own washcloth and his own towel. I don't allow him to use like any rags or anything like that. How do you feel? Okay, so I cleaned my bathtub, cleaned my sink area. Now I'm still washing clothes. Yay, so everything's clean. I like mop my floor. Now I feel like I have to buy like more, like longer shower curtains, but I kind of want like a grown woman shower curtain. I want like huge, big, thick shower curtains. Probably gonna go ahead and buy that tomorrow. But I'm like obsessed with this area of my bathtub, so I'm thinking about like turning this area into a spa. Maybe like put flowers back there, maybe put a few candles. And I also maybe want like a stereo, because I always listen to music in the showers. And to be honest guys, this part barely gets wet, so that's why I want to put a stereo up here. Well, at least the bathroom is clean. Lights out. So I decided to take a break and make a snack. Right here I have an English muffin with some avocado and boiled eggs with salt and pepper. And this is so healthy and just so good. The English muffin is wheat. If you guys have not tried this, I would highly suggest you try this. It's such a good snack to eat. Gracious, goodness gracious guys, I'm still cleaning, so my kitchen is spotless. Guys, my house is so clean right now. It just smells so amazing. I just can't wait to take a hot shower. It's now 4:53 p.m. and I still have to like put my bed sheets on and then wash my huge, my other white, because I have two huge white comforters on my bed. So I have to wash my other white comforter. And then after that, I'm seriously about to just get in the shower and just relax for the entire day. That's basically my day today. I have an event to go to tomorrow, so hopefully tomorrow will be much interesting. But yeah, I really didn't do anything today on this, what is it, Tuesday? It's just been very chill. I cleaned my glass, well of course not up there, but I cleaned my door. Tokyo has two beds out here, but I'm gonna wash his beds, because since he's all clean. We have to go potty. Go. Go potty. Go potty. So, go. I know you have to go potty. Watch, guys. He's such a good. Look at that. He's going potty. Good boy. Let's go out this way. Go lay down. Go lay down. Good boy. Sit. Sit, sit, sit. Oh, you sat. So I gave him an old pillow, guys, because his beds are, you know, washing or whatever. And by the way, I still have not yet to find a freaking TV stand for my TV. So I don't even watch TV in here. I just watch TV in my bedroom. I barely watch TV in here. So this is how the layout is. The TV is actually supposed to go on this wall. Where you guys see this wall plug in. That's where the TV is supposed to be hanging up. And then my couch is way too big to like fit this way, you know, because it'll just block off. It'll just block off this area. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but yeah, that's gonna stay there until I find like a TV stand. Maybe I can find a TV stand to like put right here. And this is a 70-inch TV, guys, so it's really big. Also just got finished like mopping my hallway. You know, the sun is actually setting. It's so beautiful. That shower felt so amazing. I've been watching American Horror Story since I've been like straightening up my bedroom and stuff. Your girl need a nap. I don't think I'm doing anything else for the rest of today because tomorrow's also just going to be a long day. But if you guys stuck through this vlog with me cleaning, you a real one. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys new to my channel, don't forget to go ahead and like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll just talk to you guys in my next vlog tomorrow. Bye.